Hey guys, let's see how to clean an air purifier filter. Here I have this air purifier from Trucozie. This is the T555, okay? Super easy, you just need to remove the cover here. It's a magnetic one, I just pull it out, put that away, and then what I have to do is just remove the filter here. There's a tab that I can do this, I remove it here. And to clean this, I just use a vacuum cleaner, right? The first thing that I do is just remove the pet hair from here. You can use a vacuum cleaner, just put this here on a surface, like a desk, for example. And then you grab one of this. This is vacuum cleaner, right? It's a portable one. Usually what I do is just start vacuum cleaner here, the air purifier on this way. Or you can just remove the first layer of the filter and put on a surface, and then you can better clean using this portable vacuum cleaner, right? This is a good one. I'll leave the link here in the description, okay? Here is the box. Pretty good one. It works pretty fine, right? And then you can also start blowing out the dust from the HEPA filter, for example. Usually what I do here, look, is just remove this Velcro here. So you have this first layer. There we go. That's the one you can clean it up, right? And then after this, you have here also the HEPA filter. You can clean this up here as well using the same vacuum cleaner. And then later what I do is just remove this one here and use this other one. Okay, so they can clean a little bit here, a little better using this accessory, right? To just pull out every dust here from the HEPA filter, right? And then later I use this one to blow everything out from the HEPA filter. So basically here, this one, just going to change to the other side here. The honeycomb, as you can see, there's this honeycomb here. Then you can just blow this out like this. Okay, the idea is not doing this on this side, because that way you're gonna push the dust into the filter, and you don't want to do that. You want just to pull the dust away from the filter. That's why you use the other side here with the honeycomb, right? And then when it's done, you just put everything back in place. Here's the Velcro, so you can put this first layer here back. That way, super, super simple. I like this one, works pretty fine for me here. The Velcro here, just be careful to put in the correct position. And then put it back here. Remember the honeycomb facing inside. You see here the information, right, to do this correctly. And then grab your cover and just put it back here. Easy like that, right? So that's the way you can clean the air filter. I'm just talking about this Trucozie T555, but that works for other filters as well, for any air purifier. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.